Hi and welcome to Harshiverse, and let's talk about Legged Robotics. So Legged robots are a kind of mobile robot that uses mechanical limbs for movement. So this is basically bio-inspired robotic locomotion. So Legged robots are bio-inspired robots. That is basically learning from the nature and applying those concepts in real world engineered systems. Research in Legged robotics seeks to learn from the skeletal structure and the movement of humans, or for that reason, any two-legged animals or birds. That is the biped. Then the four-legged animals, which are the quadrupeds, as well as insects, which are the hexapods and so on. These robots are becoming very popular as they have a certain advantage over wheeled robots. Like they can walk over uneven, rocky roads and even climb up and down the stairs. And some have best of both worlds. So this was a little bit about Legged robots. See you next time. Bye.